and make your editing process much smoother. Let's go through some of the most useful ones. To start, you can view and customize keyboard shortcuts by going to the File menu. Selecting Keyboard Shortcuts, you'll see a list of all the available shortcuts. You can change any keyboard shortcut keys. Now click on the shortcut key. First there was Ctrl+M. Then I do Ctrl+N. Now let's go over some of the essential keyboard shortcuts you should know. First, the basics: Ctrl+I to import media, +S to save your project, Ctrl+Z to undo an action, Ctrl+Y to redo an action, Ctrl+B to split a clip at the playhead, Delete key to remove a clip from the timeline, Ctrl+C to copy a clip, Ctrl+V to paste a clip. For navigation, spacebar to play or pause your video, Home to move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline, End to move the playhead to the end of the timeline, arrow keys to move the playhead frame by frame.